following news last week that Bristol Palin's wedding to Dakota Meyer had been called off. The single mom wrote a blog post on Tuesday, in which she asked for prayers and support, referring to the cancelled wedding as the elephant in the room. Palin, 24, wrote in a blog post on the religious website Potatoes that, "This is a painful time for family and friends, and I would just really appreciate your prayers. I know God's plan is greater than anything else, and my son, Tripp, and I are in Alaska, beginning to rebuild our lives under much different circumstances than we anticipated," Palin added.